Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teach. Well, this time I'm going to explain you about the use of simple past tense. Well, we use simple past tense to express past activity, and we use verb to after subject. Dalam simple present tense kita gunakan pola subjek diikuti oleh kata kerja kedua. Kata kerja kedua ini ada dua macam, yang beraturan atau disebut regular verb, atau yang tidak beraturan yaitu irregular verb. Okay, now I want to explain you the use of simple present. The use of simple past tense in a short story. After this, I'm going to ask you some questions again about the story and about you. Now listen to me carefully. Last year, Carol worked in an office. It was before she got a job in a travel agency. She started at 8:30 and finished at 5. In the evening, she listened to the radio. What about you? Well, I'm going to ask you some questions about Carol. Question number 1. Did Carol work in an office last year? Where did she work last year? What time did she start work? What time did she go home? And what did she do in the evening? Oke, dalam kalimat pertanyaan, kata kerjanya kembali ke bentuk pertama ya. Now, it is about you. Please answer my questions. Did you have a job last year? Where did you work? What time did you start work? How did you go to work? What time did you have lunch? And what time did you go home? What did you do in the evening? Okay, it's clear, right? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.